Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and let me share with you how to show the battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this general list we have to scroll in order to find the battery option. So let's tap on the battery, and as you can see here we've got the battery percentage option. In my case it is turned on. However, if you've got it turned off and you've got only the battery indicator, simply tap on the switcher and your device will immediately apply the percentage to the status bar. It will be right next to the battery icon. We do not have the option to put it inside the battery icon, but in my opinion this option is much more comfortable to use. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.